说中文
ChinesePod, ChinesePod, ChinesePod. That's the way to learn Chinese. ChinesePod, ChinesePod, ChinesePod. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hello, newbies. This is ChinesePod. I'm Ken Carroll.
I'm Jenny.
And we are indoors today.
And I'm Stuffy.
It is Stuffy in here now. And so the lesson we're talking about today is a stuffy room and how to deal with that and how to express that. And the word for stuffy in Chinese is
闷
mun.
对
Now, that sounds like a first tone.
Yes.
Let's hear it again, please, Jenny.
闷
Mun.
And it somehow sounds stuffy, stifled.
Does it?
闷
Mun. It kind of does, yeah.
对
So you can just, picture that in your mind's eye, a stuffy room. It's very, very
闷
mun.
闷
There you go. Now, this is a newbie lesson, and it's, I think, a fairly challenging newbie lesson. But you've got the context. We're in a stuffy room. It's kind of mun in there, and
Yes.
we're going to hear a short dialogue.
Very short.
Yeah, after that, we'll come back and we'll help you to sort of piece it together. So let's listen to this rather mun dialogue.
Dialogue first time.
太闷了，
别开窗太冷了
还好，
我冷 Second time.
太闷了，
别开窗太冷了
还好，
我冷 Third time.
太闷了，
别开窗太冷了
还好，
我冷 That was dramatic.
It was.
What weather condition was that?
I sense Arctic,
A
to be honest.
cyclone?
A cyclone, or it could be Arctic conditions. Look, we just make these things more dramatic for the listener to help you to retain and associate the language with an event, you see.
Yes.
That's what we're trying to do. So why don't we translate it here and explain exactly what happened?
好太闷了
It's really stuffy here.
太闷了
It's too stuffy.
太闷了别开窗太冷了
Don't open that window. It's too cold.
别开窗太冷了
Don't open the window. It's too cold.
别开窗太冷了还好
It's not so bad.
还好
It's not so cold.
还好我冷
I'm cold.
我冷
I'm cold.
我冷
So battle here between two extremes.
Yes.
Stuffiness versus the cyclone coming in the window.
I wonder who wins.
Well, yeah, interesting question. I don't know, but what I do know is that this is very rich in terms of language. Why don't we look at the first sentence?
太闷了太闷了
Now, we have the word for stuffy, which is
闷
mun.
闷
There you have it. Now, too stuffy.
太闷了太闷了
Now, tai, fourth tone, means
Too much.
too much. So, tai mun meaning too stuffy.
Yes.
Right? And we have a particle on the end here just to round it off. Don't worry about the grammar of it too much. This is how you say it's too stuffy in here.
太闷了太闷了
Now, Chinese is very economical in terms of the words and syllables it uses. You'll often dispense with pronouns and prepositions and
Yes.
whatever, and you can just say a lot with three syllables.
We just give you the gist.
That's right. Now, so it's really stuffy in here is essentially three words, which is,
太闷了
yeah, and literally that's just too stuffy with a particle.
对
Yeah, that's all you need to know. So remember the phrase and relate it to the event. All right, now there's some resistance here. The guy wants to open the window, but
Well, he did open the
He
window,
does,
but
right.
the girl says, 别开窗,别开窗.
now to open the window is
开窗,开窗.
two first tones.
Yes.
开窗. Now, 开 as in to open.
And 窗 means window.
Okay, so 开窗 means
Open the window.
open the window. Now, if you're telling somebody not to open the window,
别开窗,别开窗.
now 别开窗. Now that is don't open
the window.
So 别 second tone means don't. Don't do that. All right. Because it's
太冷了,太冷了.
now we have a pattern here that was that occurred in the first sentence. Now let's revisit the first sentence again for a second.
太闷了,太闷了.
So we had 太 meaning too much. We had the adjective, and then we had the particle.
Yes.
And that was, in that case, it was too,
Too
stuffy.
stuffy.
In this case, we have it's too cold. The pattern is the same, but we change the adjective, and we get
冷,冷
okay, 冷, third tone meaning,
meaning cold. And it's too cold
Yeah.
is 太冷了,太冷了.
太冷了,
对,
太冷了.
太冷了.
It's too cold. It's really cold. And that's the way it's said. I mean, in English, we don't usually say it's too cold. We say, well, we're more likely to say it's really cold, are we? Well, I don't know. Whatever. Anyway,
I ask you.
I don't know. I think
I
we
do
should,
not know.
You do not know. I guess we're likely to say it's really cold. Anyway, here we say it's too
太冷
cold.
了.
太冷了.
Right.
Okay, good. Now the guy is not in agreement. He thinks it's kind of okay. It's
还好,
还好.
还好.
还好 is a great expression.
对.
It means-
very functional. It means
Yeah.
it's all right.
It's not so bad.
对.
It's like 40%, 30%,
Yeah.
that kind of region. 还好, it's okay.
And in China, we use it a lot to
Yeah.
deflect
A compliment.
a compliment.
That's
Yes.
right. If somebody says, "Oh, your English is really good," and if you say
还好,还好.
means it's kind
It's
of
not that good.
yeah. Or a kid might use it to say, he's not really happy about something, and mom says, "Oh, do you like that?" And he says,
还好.
还好. It's not great, but it's okay.
对.
Yeah. Really very subtle meaning, I think, 还好, in different ways. So again, if somebody says, "Oh, your Chinese is great," you don't want to say, "Yeah," you just say
还好.
还好 means, I'm working hard in it, but I
对.
realize it's not great.
It's only satisfactory.
That's right. 还好. Great little expression. Now, this woman wants to indicate that she is cold.
And she says, 我冷,我冷.
Now, we have the word 冷, third tone, meaning
Cold.
cold. And we have the pronoun for I or me, and that is.
我
So when we put them together, we get
我冷,
我冷,
我冷.
我冷.
对.
I'm cold.
Yes.
我冷. Now, in this context, I mean, the fact that she just says 我冷, there's an emphasis in a sense here on the 我and the me.
对.
I'm cold.
I am cold.
You've opened the window, but I'm cold. Let me
对.
make it clear. Yeah. This has so much lexical density, so much richness in the language, and it's despite the shortness of it, but it's great stuff.
So shall we revisit it?
I think we shall.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to ChinesePod Trivia. Our first question is, how long will it take you to become an intermediate Chinese speaker using the ChinesePod app? Is it A, the rest of your life? B, you should already be an intermediate speaker? C, 3 months? Or D, ChinesePod has an app?
You should already be in.
Ooh, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, 3 months. That's right. Head over to ChinesePod.com now to register for your access to over 4,000 lessons. Get the ChinesePod app now on Google Play or the App Store.
Dialogue first time.
太闷了，
别开窗，太冷了。
还好，
我冷。 Second time.
太闷了，
别开窗，太冷了。
还好，
我冷。Third time.
太闷了，
别开窗，太冷了。
还好，
我冷。Now, Ken,
Yeah.
I find the two of us are constantly 闷
Yes.
always 太闷了
To be honest,
in the studio.
studios are pretty mun. You know why? Because you can't turn on aircon in the studio. You can't do it. The sound affects the sound.
And it's all soundproof,
It's all soundproof.
which means it's also airproof.
So it's pretty mun.
对，
right?
太闷了。
太闷了. What can you do? But we like being here and doing this stuff. So yeah, there you have it. Really, really high frequency stuff. This is the language you hear. You know, we try to put it into slightly more dramatic context for you. But anyway, we hope your day is not being too mun. And,
Nor too 冷，
yeah,
太
not too
冷。
long. That's right. Either way, we'll be back again tomorrow with another lesson.
对，
Right now, however, time to say
再见。
再见.
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number
1053.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/1053
1053.
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/1053.
1053.